In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a prototype link and collect comments in XD. If you want quick, organized feedback on your designs, Adobe XD makes it simple to share an interactive prototype and gather comments in one place. Start in your XD document and look to the top right corner. Click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where all the link and feedback options live. At the top, you'll see link settings. Choose a view preset that matches your goal. For most review cycles, Design Review is a great pick because it highlights the prototype's navigation and enables reviewers to focus on what matters. If you need finer control, switch to Custom so you can tailor what viewers see. The preset you choose determines how your prototype behaves for the audience, so think about whether they need to explore freely or follow a guided flow. Behind the scenes, XD shares the artboards in your selected flow, so the link stays focused on the parts you want reviewed. Viewers don't need XD installed. Any modern browser on desktop or mobile works. That makes it easy for stakeholders to open the prototype quickly and respond while the details are still fresh. Before you generate the link, make sure the commenting option, often labeled Allow Comments or a similar feedback toggle, is turned on. With comments enabled, reviewers can click anywhere on a screen, leave threaded notes, and keep the conversation attached to the exact spot they're talking about. It's a simple way to avoid long email chains and scattered feedback. Next, choose Link Access, which controls who can open your prototype. Anyone with the link is public and great for broad sharing when confidentiality isn't a concern. Only invited people keeps things private and is ideal when you're working with a limited group. If you need extra control, select Password Protected. Pick a strong password and share it with your reviewers through a secure channel separate from the link. This extra step helps keep your work from being forwarded beyond your intended audience. When your settings look right, click Create Link. XD will generate a unique URL. Copy it and share it with your reviewers using your usual communication tools. For best results, include a short note that sets expectations, what to look at, what questions you want answered, and when you need feedback. That's it. With a single link, people can view your prototype in their browser and leave clear, actionable comments tied to specific screens. Use this workflow to streamline reviews, reduce confusion, and keep design discussions in one place.